Alright, we have our task here on the left pane. Our task is to update the device driver for the Broadcom network adapter using the driver in the drivers in D folder in D drive. Disable the Realtek network adapter. Alright, so we have two things. Number one is to update Broadcom. So let's start up. We'll go to device manager, and network adapters. So we go to network adapters, and Broadcom has to be updated. So this is Broadcom. We are going to update using a specific folder in the D drive. So let's go to the D drive. So this is D drive. Okay. And D drive driver. So inside the D drive we have a folder named drivers. We select drivers. Alright, D drivers. Alright, so next we'll wait for it to install. Alright, Windows has successfully updated your driver software. So we'll close this. We'll go back to our device manager, and this is Realtek 8169. So disable the Realtek network adapter. So we'll right click on this Realtek and disable device. Yes, we want to. So is there any other thing? That is all. We'll close this and we'll check our answers. Everything is 100% correct. If this was helpful to you, you might want to consider sharing, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.